Right, I've given, hopefully, our guest speaker a few moments to catch her breath. So without further ado, I'd like to hand over to Henrietta Morrison.
Goodness, I have never felt like such an underachiever after all of those incredible, totally awe-inspiring awards. And I have to say, I am delighted to be here today. It was my 50th birthday yesterday. I know it's a surprise because I only really look like I'm 29. And it's so weird because I haven't stepped into this school for 32 years. So it's a very strange and wonderful feeling to be here today and to be part of this amazing celebration of all your achievements. I loved my time at Talbot Heath. I'm one of those annoying people who just jumps up and down and tells everybody how much I love school, because it's sort of cool to not like school as you get older, but I loved it here. I was the kind of person who, the week before going back in September, I'd have all my uniform already laid out, my shoes ready, and the night before school started in September, I could never go to sleep because I'd be so excited about coming to this school. So that gives you a flavour of how much I loved being here and how much this school meant to me. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what I've done in my life and how this school has really shaped every step of the way of that. 6 months after I arrived at Talbot Heath, so I arrived at age 10 in Upper 3, and my mum died in a car accident. And the following year, my father died from a brain tumour. So two such incredibly shocking events happening to somebody in their first couple of years of school really could have derailed me. My life could have been a completely different story. And the reason why my life is the shape it is and the way it is and who I am as a person is really all about what this school gave to me. And the support and the encouragement I had from my friends, the teachers. It was such a shocking time, and yet every step of the way I felt that I had a family here. And that's why I think coming to school every day made such a difference to me, because I knew I could step through the doors, onto those corridors, and know that I had the support of everybody every step of my way through my years at Talbot Heath. So, I did a lot when I was here, and it's incredible to see all of these awards, because I can see that that's going on and on. That's a tradition that's kept going. I was in the debating society, I edited the school magazine, I was head girl, what else did I do? I was in the choir. Safe to say I wasn't involved in anything sporty, so I'm incredibly delighted to see so many sporting achievements. And I have my friend here, Clodie, we're in the same class, and she can vouch for the fact that I was horrendous at sport. As I said, every step of my career has really been shaped by all of those extracurricular activities. So, you know, it's not just about the academic achievements, and of course it was great that I went to Cambridge and I studied Arabic, but it was really all of the other things that I got involved with at school that made such a difference. And my first career, the first company that I set up was a teddy bear company, and the only reason I could make all the teddy bears for the first 2 shops that we launched was because I was a dab hand with a sewing machine. Not that brilliant, I hesitate to say, because I did take 2 years to make the nightie that Mrs. Parsons tried to get everybody to make in a term. But somehow I was good at making the teddy bears. And my sewing skills lasted for 2 shops, and by the time we got to 12 shops, definitely had professional people making the teddy bears. But that range was sold to Hamleys about 6 years after it was launched. The second business is a magazine business that I had, and a magazine company called Arbery Pink, where we specialised in student and graduate magazines around diversity and equal opportunities. So we had a magazine for high-flying women, we had a magazine for disabled students and graduates, and also for school leavers. And those skills that enabled me to say, yes, okay, I'm going to do a magazine, again, it really came from my time spent editing the Centenary School magazine right here. And it was a very, just sort of the visceral, cutting up the magazine and photocopying it. We didn't have desktop publishing or any Apple Macs in those days. Really gave me the confidence to go out into the world and launch a whole load of, we had 16 magazines, and I was able to sell the business successfully a few years after I launched it. So I guess to you guys, what I'd like to say is, make the most of your time here, and I can see that you are. This is as Mrs. Holloway said, a real day of celebration of all the things that you get involved with, and be involved in everything from day one. Because I can tell you, the minute you leave school, even at university, you just don't get the chance to participate to the extent that you can participate at school, where you can just play and make mistakes and fail, and it just doesn't matter, because at least you're just trying and having a go. The world outside school is much less forgiving, and you'll feel much less able to try. And all those skills that you pick up here will really stand you in good stead for your life ahead. So a bit more about me and my career. So my current career is, and the business that I set up 10 years ago is called Lily's Kitchen. And there it is. And I had the great pleasure of speaking to the junior school this morning about the business, and they were incredibly clued up about business and how much money you're making and what's in the food, and asking all sorts of great questions. So I set up this business 10 years ago as a result of my dog Lily being really unwell, and she had developed all kinds of itchy skin and itchy ears. And I've been feeding her food that, regular food from the vet or the supermarket. And one day she just stopped eating completely, and it sort of propelled me, forced me to have to cook for her, because, we all know that dogs love food, and for your dog to not want to eat is a very worrying sign. So I cooked her up vegetables and meat and lentils, and she started eating within 10 days. All her illnesses had recovered. And I was really a woman on a mission from that point. I wanted to make a difference. And this is the ethos of Talbot Heath. Think big, say yes, and then work out how afterwards. And that was definitely the situation I was in, because it was just me versus Nestle and Mars. They dominated 96% of the pet food industry, and I did not have a clue about how to make pet food, how to make dogs and cats healthier. I knew nothing. So I spent 2 years talking to every expert in the industry, visiting every single potential kitchen factory across Europe, being turned down by many of those factories, with people thinking I was really a mad person. And the thing that propelled me was that I wanted to make a difference. And every one of the businesses that I've done has had an element of that all really made a difference, as well as running a profitable business. So after 2 years, I launched Lily's Kitchen with a range of food, and there's a little bit more about it. So there's me with long hair. And there's Lily, my water terrier, and that's me cooking for her in the kitchen. And there's a bit more about our story, which I just talked about, which is to really make a difference to pets, because those of you who have pets know the amazing difference they make to our lives. So the journey so far is, I started off at the kitchen table. It's a real kitchen table business. Kitchen table, dog, me, one telephone. And that was it for the first 6 months. And I launched the business in November 2008, so that's not great timing. The world was collapsing, and I was launching this pet food that was a lot more expensive than other pet foods out there, because it actually had meat in, which no other pet food at the time had any meat in. And then the business, I took on one person, and then we started to launch independent shops and vets. And then we went into Ocado, Waitrose, Tesco. 18 months ago, we went to Pets at Home and across stores in Europe. In January, we launched in Sainsbury's and Morrison's, and next year we'll be launching in the US and China. So it's quite a journey from knowing nothing to now running really a very successful business. There are 65 of us. Our retail sales are 50 million this year. And you know, we have won a lot of awards. I was lucky enough to be able to meet the Queen, because we won the Queen's Award for Enterprise and Innovation. And I did ask the Queen where the corgis were, because I was very excited about the potential of meeting them. And she said, oh yes, I wish they were here, but there are too many feet, and they'll get lost amongst everybody. But that was a very special moment in the Ladies' Kitchen ceremony. And I think one of the things as well that I'm super proud of is that it's not just a business that makes money and, you know, and is a transactional business selling products, but also the difference that we make as a business. So, and again, very much the ethos of honour before honours that coming from Talbot Heath. This business gave away over 1 million meals to homeless cats and dogs in shelters over the last 18 months. And we were a founding member of B Corp. So this is not something that maybe many of you are familiar with, but a B Corporation is a company that is about making profit, but is also about making a difference as well. And so I give my team volunteer days, to volunteer. We have all kinds of activities, choir, again, something from my school days, knitting. We even have a pole dancing class that started recently, not from Talbot Heath, that one. This is something I don't know. You know, and we also are, I'm in a fortunate position to be able to give shares to everybody in the business as well. So really, what I like to say is we have a quadruple bottom line. So it's people, pets, because pets obviously all about what we do, the planet. We produce the most environmentally friendly packaging available, and profit. So, is anything else on that? And there is Lily. So a lot of people never realise that Lily's Kitchen is named after my dog Lily, and there she is in the vegetable patch. So I just want to just quickly, briefly, just talk about women in the world, because here we are, all girls, women. I'm maybe 50, but I was there in those actual seats. I can't believe after 32 years the seats are still the same seats. And the curtains are the same curtains. But the lighting is different. I can appreciate that. You know, being a woman in the world, it's not easy, and I'm not a complainer, I'm a doer, as hopefully you got a flavour of that today. But you do need every ounce of confidence, and coming from an environment like this, going out into the world, you're going to get it. It's just going to be by osmosis, by the amazing team of support that you have around you. You'll go out there and you'll make stuff happen because you are amazing even to be here. You made a choice to be here. And I have a sign on my desk which says, I'm 15, you know, I've done 5 businesses, I'm used to, being, the only woman in the room very often. But I have a sign on my desk which says, I'm not bossy, I am the boss. Because unfortunately as women, if you're strong, if you're one of those go-getters, you do get a little bit of backchat about how bossy she is, or she's quite bossy. And that's something that we all need to change together, because, if you're a guy and you're bossy, does anybody know a man who's been called bossy? Not very often. Then you're seen as assertive and authoritative and in control, and yes, he's in charge, it's wonderful to see a leader like that. But as girls, actually, we don't often get treated in the same way. So, it is important to break the glass ceiling bit by bit, and we are making a difference together. And it's something that I'm really proud to bring up in interviews, etc. Just did an interview for the FT last week. And seeing women leaders in different areas of life is critical for all of those other women that are coming up behind us. So, one of the things I wanted to share with you, I shared it with the junior school this morning, and somebody Mrs. Breeze about it. So quite often I'm the only woman with, in a room of 200 men, very often, because at CEO level, that's what it looks like. And inevitably, every single time, probably once every 2 weeks when I'm at an event like that, a guy will come up to me and he'll see my badge. He goes, oh yes, Lily's kitchen. And he goes, and always the same question. And the question is, do you make the food in your kitchen? And I say, I take a deep sigh. No, it would be impossible to be able to make the food in my kitchen because my kitchen is not big enough to supply Sainsbury's, Tesco, Morrison's, Amazon, Waitrose, and thousands of stores across Europe. So people pigeonhole you, at whatever point. So you do have to stand up and be proud. So I hope some of you will think about setting up your own business. It's not engineering or dentistry or being a doctor, they're all really important too, but also part of that mix is being an entrepreneur and thinking about setting up your own business. And it was great to see today awards already for young women setting up their own business with the scented candles and the other businesses that I heard about today. It is an incredible world out there. And being an entrepreneur is sometimes for the people who don't know exactly what career they want. I wasn't sure what career I wanted when I graduated. And I'm very happy that I didn't become, as our former headmistress of this school said, you're going to become a wonderful PA one day. And that luckily did not happen because actually I would have been a terrible PA. But I think what I've seen today is the incredible amount of confidence and support that teachers and everybody here puts and gives to each other. And that's something that we should all be incredibly proud of, and I certainly am very proud of being an alumna of Talbot Heath. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ms Morrison, for taking the time to come back today to Talbot Heath. It's truly an honour to welcome back such an innovative and inspiring former pupil to commemorate one of the most important occasions of the school year. It's also wonderful to have someone so passionate up on the stage about Talbot Heath, women in the world, business, and most importantly, dogs. Thank you very much once again.
We'd also like to say a huge thank you to Mrs Holloway, who has inspired us to aim high and aspire to our full potential and given us continued support throughout our school years. Thank you to Mrs Stone for her pastoral support and guidance, ensuring the well-being of all of us, and also for your organisation to ensure that today runs smoothly. We'd also like to thank the governors, who you might not see often, but their behind-the-scenes contribution to the school is appreciated by many. Also, thank you to Miss Marks, who has organised our Sporting Achievement Awards today, and wish her the best of luck taking on a new role of Deputy Head concerning pastoral support within the junior school. On behalf of everyone at the school, we would like to present Miss Morrison, Mrs Holloway, Mrs Stone and Miss Marks with a gift of thanks.
Well, as a governor, I did flinch at the point about the curtains, might have to do something like that. There's one group in this room, actually, I'm going a bit off-piste here, that I think haven't had the recognition that they're due, and that's the parents. When you see all the awards that pupils have achieved, I was thinking, what is the effort involved behind supporting the girls getting to all these amazing events? So I'd like to give a round of applause to the parents. So my final part is that there are drinks, tea, coffee and things over in the dining room next door, and we would love to just share together the celebration this afternoon after this event in that room.